Hi, everyone. Before we start today's activity, let's talk about something really important: staying safe online. When we use the internet, whether it's to play games, watch videos, or do schoolwork, we have to make smart choices. Just like we follow safety rules in real life, we also need rules to stay safe online. Here are three big things to remember. Number one, personal information. Personal information is anything that tells people who you are, like your name, address, phone number, your school name, or your birthday. Those things should always stay private. Number two, unknown links. Unknown links are things that you might be tempted to click on. Maybe it's on a message or an email or a website. But if you don't know where it's going to lead or who it's from, don't click on it. And if it seems too good to be true, it is. Definitely don't click on those. And the last one is passwords. Passwords are your secret key to get into your account. Never share your passwords with your friends or classmates. Only a trusted adult should know them. Now, we're going to make a digital safety poster using Google Slides that's going to help us remember all these rules. You're going to open up your Google Slide template that your teacher's given you. Now, you can see the instructions are right here. If you have any questions with how to spell everything, the first thing we're going to do is add a title. Click right inside this text box at the top and then type the title, "Be Safe Online." The next thing we'll do is insert an image right here on our poster. Click right here in the middle where it says Replace Image. Then go down to the bottom and search Stock and Web. Then come over here and type in something about online safety. So I could type online safety. I could look at all the different options. I might have stock images, GIFs, or stickers, or even Google Images. You might just want a computer. And you can click computer and then you can find something that might work there. It's your choice what type of image you might want to put to represent being safe online. I'm going to take a look at stickers. And some of these stickers just are really funny. I'm going to put this one in. And when I do that, my image placeholder is now going to be replaced by that sticker. The next thing we're going to do is type these tips in our bottom text box. All we have to do is click inside, and we're going to number these. To number, we can use the numbers right up here at the top. I'm going to close this so I can see everything a little bit better. And then I'm going to click the number here, and I'm going to start typing. The first one is don't share personal info. So I'll just type it right there. If you see here, I have words already starting to fill in gray because Google Slides is assuming I want to say the word information. If that is the correct word, all you have to do is click the tab button on your keyboard and it will complete it for you. We'll press enter and type the next rule. Don't click on links. You don't. Then we'll press enter and then keep your passwords secret. Double check that everything is spelled correctly. As you can see here, I still have a lot of room, so I think I want to increase the font size of these words. I'm going to highlight all of these, and now I can go right up here to the top, and I can press the plus sign, and I can increase the size to make sure everything looks really nice on my poster. I think my title could also be larger, so I can highlight up here, and then I can also increase the title size, "Be Safe Online." Now check to make sure you have everything that you're supposed to have. A title, image, you have typed all three safety rules. When you're ready, you can turn your Google Slide into your teacher. Great job on building your digital safety skills.